Hello friends, welcome to a new video. In this video, I am going to discuss another Leetcode problem. Okay, and this problem is based on array. The question is longest harmonious subsequence. The first question is, what do we mean by harmonious, right? So basically, we define a harmonious array as an array where the difference between its maximum value and its minimum value is exactly 1. Okay. So, this is the question. Given an integer array nums, return the length of its longest harmonious subsequence among all its possible subsequences. Okay. So, a subsequence of array is a subsequence that can be derived from the array by deleting some or no elements without changing the order of the remaining elements. Okay, so to understand this question better, let's see this first example. The first example, this array is given to you. This output will be 5. How you will get this output? Let's see this explanation. So this is your subsequence. Okay, so basically, what we mean by harmonious subsequence? Basically, maximum and the lowest value, the difference will be only exactly 1, right? So here 2 and 3. 2 is the lowest value and 3 is the largest value, right? And the difference between 2 and 3 is obviously 1, right? Okay, so here we can also take this 1 and 2, right? But in that case, your length will be what? Only 4, right? This 2 and then again 2, total 3, and then this 1 is now is total 4, right? But we have to return the maximum harmonious subsequence, right? So if now we compare 3 total 2 times 3 and total 3 times 2 means total 5. Okay, and you can see that this 5 is the largest subsequence. Okay, the length of the largest subsequence. So that's why your output will be 5. Okay, in the second example, there can be like 1 2, it can be your answer. 2 3 can be your answer. 3 4 can be your answer. But the thing is, 1 4 is not your answer, because the maximum value and the minimum value difference between these two numbers must be 1, right? That's why you cannot take like 1 and 4. So the difference must be 1. That's why you can take 1 2 or 2 3 or 3 4, right? But the thing is, obviously the output will be 2, because if you them you will get the same length. Okay. The third example, they have only one value 1, so they don't have any other value like that is greater than 1, means, and the difference between that element and 1 is exactly 1, but they don't have any other element, they have only one element. So the exactly they don't have any other element, that's why your output will be 0, because you cannot create any harmonious subsequence. Okay, because here the lowest value and the largest value both are same 1. Okay, so basically the thing is, we need to solve this question. So basically we can solve this question using hash map. Okay, in that hash map we will count the occurrences of every element. Okay, the key will be the element and the value will be the occurrences of that particular element. Okay, and then we just check the things like if the particular element is present, then the particular element plus 1 is also present, then okay, then we just add that occurrence of that particular element. Okay, let me solve this question. So at first let's declare the hash map. Okay, hash map integer comma integer. Okay, new hash map. Okay, so now I just traverse the array again. Okay, then if HM dot contains key I and also HM dot contains key I plus 1, then okay, let me take this variable first. Int max equals to 0. Okay, max equals to math dot max comma s comma 18 dot get of I plus HM dot get I plus 1. Okay, at the end we just return this max. Okay, now let's run this code. Okay, this code will give you the correct answer, right? So basically in the first folder we used for only to store the values in the hash map. Okay, and the key is the element and the value is the number of the occurrences of that particular element. Okay, in this for loop I was just checking if that particular element is present, means the number is present, and also the number plus 1 is also present. Okay, then we just add that number's frequency. Okay, let me take the example, then you can easily understand the thing. Basically, think this is your array. Okay, like here the element is 1, 3, 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 7, right? So this is your array, right? So your first element is what? 1, right? So it will check that 1 is present in your key. Yeah, 1 is present, right? Then it will check again for 2, means I plus 1 is 2, right? 2 is also present in your key. So 1 is also present, 2 is also present. Then it will just add that frequency of the two elements. Okay, so what is the frequency of 1? The frequency of 1 is also 1, and what is the frequency of 2? Frequency of 2 is 3, right? Now 4, right? This 4 will store in this max. Okay, so the next element is 3, right? So it will then it will check the for 3 is present in our key. Yeah, 3 is present. Okay, 4 is present. I plus 1 is 4, right? But 4 is not present. So then if condition will not execute. Okay, the next element is 2 is present, right? And 3 is also present because 2 plus 1 is 3 is also present. So what is the frequency of 2? The frequency of 2 is 3, and the frequency of 3 is 2, right? Because this get method will give you the value, and what is the value? Value is the frequency, right? So then it will be 5, right? Because we just add the two frequencies, right? So 5 there. So max, in this max this 5 will store, because max will store obviously the maximum value. Before we have 4, now is 5. Obviously 5 is greater than 4. Now 5 will store in this max. So our next is again 2. So again we will get the same value 5. Okay, now 5, but 5 is present, it's true, but 5 plus 1 6 is present. No, 6 is not present, right? So now this if condition will not execute. Okay, so again 2, we will get the same result again. We will again get this 5. Okay, so our next element is 3 is present, it's true, but 4 is not present. 3 plus 1 is 4, but 4 is not present, right? So this if condition will not execute. The next element is 7 is present, but 7 plus 1 is 8 is not present, right? So this if condition will not execute, and in this way we get the max value 5. And obviously you know in this Example 5 is our output and we will get that 5 only. Okay, I think this code is clear to you. Let's run this code. Okay, let's submit this code. Okay, I think this code is clear to you. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any question, you can definitely ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.